Hello everyone, so today we are doing another experiment. So you will need lemon, you need to cut it in half, and you need to cut the bottom of this one so it can stand properly. You should put it in a tray or a plate so you don't make any mess. You will need food coloring and baking soda. You need a dish soap and you need a stick, so I'm using peg right now. So let's start. Alright, so let's start with the experiment. Use the stick and do this so you can take some juice out. Get it all out and then put some food coloring on the top. Alright, now put a little bit of dish soap so we have more foam, and then you add baking soda. Look at the eruption. And then use another half to squeeze more lemon juice. Wow, look at that. Amazing! And use stick again to take the eruption out and all the colors. And that's our lemon volcano. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon. Bye!